Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning chat partner, I really appreciate you guys' support. So yeah, I hope everyone is doing well, have been having a good day so far. Me, I've been having a good day. Yeah, I'm blessed and I'm happy. And that's what counts. And I hope you guys are blessed and happy as well. Today is Taco Tuesday, guys, so I'm getting ready to whip up something really quick for my family. A couple of tacos and some nachos. Of course, it was slim pickings at the grocery store, and I was only able to find one kit of tacos, just one. And the rest I got flour tortilla. What is it? Flour tortillas? Tortillas? Is that how you say it? You know, just work with what I got. And to be honest, I don't even know how to fry the flour tortillas. I'll try to learn to do that another time. But right now I'm ready to just do something quick, simple, and easy and get the ball rolling. So I'm going to record a little bit of it for you guys. And yeah. All right, let's get to it. So yeah, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some vegan chicken tacos. And I'm going to make some ground chicken tacos. You know what? I am so crazy because I really thought these was ground turkey. I thought I had got ground turkey last night. And evidently I didn't. I got ground chicken. I'm ready to get started with this. So what I'm going to do is put olive oil in both pans, the meat and non-meat items. Like I said before, guys, this is the only taco kit I was able to find. The only one.
Y'all ain't cards away from me now.
That's fine.